Very good morning all of you. Welcome to class 5 MDM Children Academy. Today we are going to learn our next tense, which is present continuous. Okay. Last class we have read present simple tense, which we completed. So now today we are going to talk about present continuous tense. Continuous tense, as you can understand about the name continuous, talk about a continuity, so we called it continuous. It has same part that have present simple, present continuous, present simple affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. Okay, let's move further for our tense. Any action that continues for some time, that is said to be continuous. That is continuous for some time. The action may be in the present or in the past. Continuous होगा चाहे वो present में हो चाहे वो past में हो. When a verb describes an action that is continuing for some time, it is said to be in the continuous form. It is also called the progressive form, as it describes an action that is in progress or continue. Okay. In this tense, is, are, am are used as helping verb. या बी फैमिली जिसे हम कहते हैं, बी फैमिली के मेंबर इज एम आर, राइट, टू बी. प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म और आईएनजी फॉर्म ऑफ मेन वर्ब इज यूज्ड. पार्टिसिपल की हमने जो पहले सिंपल प्रेजेंट में पढ़ा था, दैट वाज वी फर्स्ट, बट हेयर वी विल अप्लाई विद वी फर्स्ट. आईएनजी फॉर्म is used with all the subject of kind sentences. It can be affirmative, negative, interrogative and interrogative negative. Okay, so let's get started. Talk about the pattern. Pattern is subject to be plus VING and object. Okay, subject to be we called is am, are. Their helping verb या auxiliary verb we called is am, are, and we first will use with ing form of the verb. Okay, so let's talk about where we have to apply is, where we have to apply am, and where we have to apply are. Okay, let's go further. Is comes with third person singular subjects. It can be he, she, it, name, etc. Am comes with first person singular subject is I. With I will apply am, and he, she, it, any name will apply is. Next, are comes with first, second and third person. First, second and third persons plural subject is we, you, they, names, etc. Okay, as we read pattern and as we read the is, am, are, where we have to apply. Is it clear to you all that is apply with he, she, it, any name, am apply with I, and are apply with we, you, they, names. So we are talking about continuity, right? And our pattern is subject plus is am, are plus verb ing form and object. Okay, so let's go further. Rules. We are now going to read its rule. The present continuous is used with for any action that is happening at the moment of speaking. While I am speaking, right? It is talking about action that is doing now, action that is happening now. Like I am speaking, I am eating cake, students students are learning English like this. It is snowing outside now. My sister is watching TV. That is happening at the moment of speaking, right? Next, for action or situations which are thought to be a shorter situation, मतलब shorter time के लिए आपको दी. Sorry, not situation, it's duration. For action or situation which are thought to be very shorter duration. Okay, like I'm learning a new language now. For the short time I can learn. My sister is working in Bengaluru for short time, right? Third one, to talk about the fixed plan in the near future. You have to refer activities and events that are fixed for the near future. Like Ajanta is bowling in the next match, right? My father is going to Hyderabad tomorrow for near future plan. We are taking a flight to go there like this. We are leaving for Cork tomorrow. So activity that is telling about the near future. So we also talk about the continuous tense. Now let's move further, for I am telling you which subjects you can apply am, are and is. Okay. I always apply am. You, we, they, we apply are. He, she, it, we apply is. Okay. I am going to home. Right? You are going to home. We, they are reading. He, she, it is playing. Understand? So that is your topic about continuous. We talk about only affirmative tense. It's part of negative, interrogative, and interrogative negative we'll do in another videos. I think it is clear to you. That is so simple topic and you will do it. I know. Have a nice day.